It's snowing. You come over here and tell the YouTubers? Over here. I kinda can't believe we're getting this much snow. I'm willing to bet that my friends in Georgia down the road there are losing their minds. It's snow! It's snow! It's snowing! I should bring y'all in. Even though it's not much snow, it's enough to get y'all wet, which I'd rather not do. So I'm gonna let you sit in here while I put a few more screws in that, and then we'll go back there and look at some more things that we want to do soon today. It's kind of nice being in here where it's nice and dry and looking out at the snow along the back of my bass boat there. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy. Getting really low on screws here. We've got that many left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I might want to plan a trip into town to get some more screws. However, people are so notoriously bad at driving in the snow in the South. I'm a little hesitant to venture out. But just because I know that. So, I don't know. I suppose I could go ahead and put up my sideboards. I'm going to run 2x12s across the back. I could go ahead and do that with my big screws. I won't need my little screws till we come to put up more tin. Let's step back and take a look from the outside. We'll wander out into the blizzard here. You know, it looks like an old barn down in Georgia, which is kind of what I had in mind. I'm glad I left this little roof part hanging out because I'm going to want to come out a little farther with the length of it in order to have room for my doors to slide on that uphill side. See, otherwise my doors, if they were on this post here, I'd be running into those railroad ties. But if I bring this out another 1.5 feet, then I might have my slide here. That'll be perfect, and it'll give me enough extra room in here. Well, I shouldn't say enough, but it'll give me some more extra room in here. Doesn't ever hurt to ever have an extra 1.5 feet or so. So might have to go to the town office and talk to the permit man, because you're supposed to have a permit. So if it gets another couple feet longer, he don't really care, but he does like to make a note of it so that if somebody fusses, he can say, well, it's right here. It's in the book. It's okay. We told him we could do it. You know, everybody's trying to cover their own assets in this world. I done figured that out.